Hello, welcome to Ashirwad Enterprises. In this video, we will learn about how to change the coil of the machine and replace it with new one. So, let's begin. In the first step, we will remove the cap of the sensor. The cap of the sensor is important, so keep it safely nearby. Now, close the lid of the machine. Now flip the machine upside down. As you can see, there are total 8 bolts. Make sure you don't interfere with colored wires. You have to just remove the 4 bolts below. The middle two ones are connected to sensor and rest of them are connected to wires, coils. And you can see there are total 3 holes, one for the sensor and 2 for the coil. Now remove all the bolts and make the wires straight so it can be easy to remove. Now flip the machine back in its position. As you can see, there are total 4 bolts here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now remove the bolts and remove the steel slate. After removing the steel slate, remove the coil. After removing the coil, as you can see, there will be a old cotton layer like this. You can use it, you can reuse it by using that for lid. As you can see, there is a cotton too in the lid. Just open the bolts of the lid and replace it with old one. After removing all the cotton and coil inside that box, put a sheet of cotton layer inside the box. By measuring the 3 holes, as you saw, there were 3 holes, 2 for the coil and 1 for the sensor. From measuring that, make 3 holes to make the wires pass through. After making holes, as you can see, there are total 2 wires for the coil. You have to put it separately in each hole. After putting in it, put the sensor too. After putting sensor, put the remaining cotton surrounding the coil so temperature won't spread. After putting the remaining old cotton surrounding the coil, put another sheet of cotton above the coil. After putting the cotton above the coil, put the slate the steel slate back on. Now, to fix the steel slate, cut the edges of the square sheet so it can be easy to fix the bolt. Now, as you can see, there will be a coil round. So by measuring the coil, leave 1 inch and cut it in circle. They By using the measurement, you have to leave 1 inch and cut the circle. You have to make a little smaller circle. Now put on the cap back on. After putting the cap, fix the 4 bolts back in its position. After fixing wires, if you see any temperature rising problem or anything, just change the middle two wires position by exchanging their sides. Make the left wire to right and right wire to left. So the machine will work and temperature problem won't come.